Hello everyone. In today's lecture I will tell you that how you can create a script through which you can subplot multiple different type of graphs. First of all, I will create a script. I will save it is with the name build subplots, and then I am going to write a comment, create subplots. I will define an independent variable x is equal to from 0 to 0.1 to 4 pi or static pi. Okay, now I'm going to define variable y1 is equal to sine of x plus y static cos of x. Y2 is another expression that is equal to tangent of, it is equal to sine of cos of 2x plus 2 pi plus 10 to static. So this is another expression. There is an error sign. I have missed the multiplication symbol over here. Now everything is good. You can see that I have not used terminated symbol. Now I'm going to plot x y1 with the blue color, and I'm going to plot x y2 with green color, and I'm using the hold down command. When I execute this code, I will get a plot where both of them have been merged at one single graph. Now what I am going to do is I am going to create subplots. So I will write subplot before the first plot command. I will write the subplot. There will be two rows, there will be one column, and this is the first plot. I'm going to write subplot. There will be two rows in the figure, and there will be one column, and this is the second plot. When I execute this, I see this such type of result. There are two rows, one column, and this is the first plot and this is the second plot. So I will write x label and y label for each one. X label, x axis, y label, y1, and I will copy these two lines. I will write them over here. When I execute this code, what I see is there are x-axis and y-axis labels have been attached with the figure. So through this way you can create many more plots. For example, I'm going to create another plot, that is the third plot, but for that I will have to convert into 3 rows, one column, first plot, second plot, and I will write over here the third plot. When I execute this, now you will see there are 3 rows and this is a single column. So you can add many more plots, many more subplots through this technique. Thank you so much. I will show you in the next lecture that how you can improve the quality of the figure. Thank you so much.